If you're tired of doing the same task over and over again, like responding to common emails or filling out the same forms, using macros and canned replies can save you a ton of time. In this quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to reduce repetitive tasks with simple macros and pre-written responses that you can reuse in your daily workflow. Stick around till the end for a game-changing tip that'll make these tools even more powerful. Let's start with macros. A macro is essentially a series of actions that you can program to happen with a single click. For example, if you're doing something repetitive like formatting documents, opening the same set of files, or inserting the same text, a macro will handle that for you. To create one, simply use the built-in tools on your Mac or download software that allows macro recording. Once you set up your actions, you can run the macro anytime you need, and it does all the work for you. Now, let's talk about canned replies. Canned replies are pre-written responses you can quickly insert into emails or messages. They're ideal for frequently asked questions or common situations. Most email platforms like Gmail, Outlook, or our software have built-in features for creating these replies. The benefit here is that instead of typing out the same response every time, you can just select your canned reply and hit send. You can even create multiple replies for different types of messages. Here's where it gets even better, combining macros and canned replies. You can set up a macro to automatically populate your email with the correct canned reply based on the context of your conversation or task. For example, if you're sending follow-up emails to clients, a macro could open your email software, select the client's name, and insert the appropriate follow-up message all in one go. Now you might be wondering, which software should you use? I've tried all the popular options, and the software we'll be using today is the most intuitive and powerful tool for reducing repetitive tasks. It's easy to set up and integrates well with most other tools you're already using. I've got an exclusive free trial for you in the description below, so you can follow along with the tutorial and see just how much time you can save. One more thing. Once you get comfortable with macros and canned replies, you'll start realizing how much time you're wasting on tasks that could be automated. With just a little setup, you can free up hours of your day to focus on more important work. Now, for your key takeaway, using macros and canned replies is a game changer when it comes to reducing repetitive tasks. Macros handle the repetitive actions, while canned replies let you quickly answer common questions or respond to emails. Together, these tools will streamline your workflow and save you valuable time. To recap, set up macros to automate actions you repeat often. Use canned replies to quickly answer emails and messages. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description to get started with our recommended software. With these tools, you'll be able to say goodbye to those repetitive tasks for good.